Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to a journal with me. Okay, so I'm just trying to get you guys like centered. Let's get, even though it's not centered on my desk, I want it centered in frame. Okay. Excuse me. All right, so this is going to be a journal with me for January 2nd. I know y'all are watching this in the future for me. But here we go, okay, here we go. Now, I took some bits out that I think I want to use, okay, on this page. On this page right here, what did I do? Okay, I'm not gonna be writing on this, so this doesn't need to go in here. But what I did do, oh, it leaked through a little bit there, no big deal. What I did do is I made like a writing board out of just a piece of thick watercolor paper. So I'm going to put this over here so it doesn't distract you. Excuse me, or me. Right? Okay, let's just get started here, shall we? All right. On this day, I did not receive a happy mail from Lynn, but I opened it on this day. So move that over here. And this was part of her wrapping paper, and I thought it was super cute. So I'm going to use it in here. Why not? So I hope I'm not shaking y'all about. I hope y'all are doing well, and I hope, you know, January 2021 is treating you well. I am actually, you're seeing this like way in the future from when I'm filming it, but that's just the way that I roll. It just is. Okay, so we're going to sort of line this up with that line right there and squish it down. Okay. Now, this is only my second day in this book because it is currently, what is it currently? Is today the second? I don't even know. Okay, I do not even know. Oh, but I can find out. Yes, today is the second, okay? So I'm just prepping this page, honestly. Okay, this was also from, a lot of this was from Lynn's Happy Mail, okay? But I do want to put this down here, and then I have it as a tip out so I can do some more journaling on this. Now, some of you might be wondering, oh, can you even see that? See, I'm going to put it in like this, and then it'll tip out like that. Some of you might be wondering how on earth are you going to write on it like that, okay? This is what I would do. I would take something like this, a box or whatever, right? And it's going to tip out like this, right? So I have a hard surface to write on. That's how I do it. Because I don't typically, let's get you centered back up. There we go. I don't typically write in my journaling when I'm doing a journal with me, right? And the day hasn't ended yet. So I'll put that in there like that. But for right now, what I want to do is put in some doodads, okay? I'm probably just going to do my journaling over here, right? And the reason this paper is so colorful is because I did some smooshing this morning. If you don't know what smoosh paper is, I'll put the link below to the various videos that I have. But it is this right here. I take paper and, oh, excuse me. Oh, they were on the floor drying. I take paper. I use my twine markers from ARTEZA. I'll put those links below in case you're interested. I color on a piece of plastic, a sheet protector. I spritz it with water, and then I plop them down and smush them. And they make just really fabulous, you know, papers for journaling or whatever. So there's that. And because I was doing that for another journal, I decided to just do it in here. And yeah, I did it right in the book, you know, like I just turned the whole book over and smushed it. Okay. So I love this Live Life in Color because Lynn, my dear, she knows how much I love color. Yep. Live Life in Color. Okay. On this day as well, let me see. I don't really know where I want to put all this stuff. Okay, wait. Let's try to figure out first. Okay, where did my thing go? Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Saturday Okay, here's some doodads. All right, and just for fun, it was, I think I might put this down here. It was National Science Fiction Day, okay? And these little things I get from this Every Day's a Holiday daily desktop calendar. And I found this at, where? Five Below, okay? Super cute, super cute. And why not? I mean, come on, guys. Do I want that there? Yeah, sure, why not? We're not thinking too much on these pages, folks, okay? We're just not. I am much more concerned with having fun on these pages than I am with like everything going or matching or whatever, okay? Whatever. This year is the year for journaling fun for me. Not that in years past it hasn't been fun. It totally has, okay? Totally has. But this year, if you'll notice, I am doing my journaling a little bit differently, okay? Yeah, doing it a little differently this year, scissors, because I needed a way to do my journaling, I don't even know, faster, quicker, not spending all day and all night, because you know what, I don't want to get super behind, you know, like I have in the past. I don't want to do that, and I know it's gonna be difficult, okay? I hope I'm not shaking you guys about too much. I have you plugged in. Yeah, I wanted to simplify my journaling, okay? I really want to simplify my journaling. National Science Fiction Day. What brings to mind about that is, of course, my favorite author, which is Ray Bradbury. I really shouldn't say he's my favorite author, perhaps, but my favorite book, which science fiction is really not my genre. That's not really like my go-to, you know, as far as book reading goes. But I love the book of short stories called The Illustrated Man. Yes, it is one of my faves. Okay, so let's see here. We have some happy mail, which I do wanna note this in here. You know what though? Poo-poo-doo. Okay, let me see without too much of a craft-a-lanch if I can find, oh geez Louise. Ah, there it is. Okay. Maybe, baby. All right. I need smaller is what I need. Okay. I need smaller. There we go. There we go. Okay. Here we go. See? Perfecto. Okay. Perfecto. So I can cut this little happy mail thingy out. So cute. Now this is, again, this is the day that I opened it, but yeah. But that's okay. That's okay. All right, there we go. So there's that. This, that's kind of huge, isn't it? But we might put it on there anyway. Why not? Okay, and I will put maybe my little happy mail there. I don't know. There. Maybe. Maybe, baby. I don't know. Okay, so today I did film 3 videos on this particular day. So 3, and let's see, what did I film? Jeez. Okay, I filmed my hands are so shaky. Ramble session. I filmed a, well, this one, Journal with Me. Let's say 1, 2. Hopefully I'll know what that means. Oh, I'll put a 21, then I'll know what it means. Okay, Journal with Me. And then I also filmed a CW Planner Week 2 video. Planner 2. Okay. Not my best handwriting, but I don't really care. Okay, so let's glue that puppy down. That is kind of cool, right? How that goes with the little alien. Oh, gosh. And then in my journaling, I'll write that I had gotten this sweet happy mail from Lynn. Yeah. So this can go right here. Okay, semi-straight. Okay, there's that. Let's see what else. These are hers as well. Love that. I said I was gonna hoard these, and I probably will, but we'll go ahead and put this little happy mail right there because it's cute. So why not? Okay, live life in color. National Science Fiction Day, so cute. Okay, I am going to put a little, no, I don't want it there. I don't know where I want it. Where to put it. We're gonna put it right over here. Okay. And I'm gonna fold that edge in, no big deal. All right, there's that. I have all this space to journal in. Okay. I love this right here. I've never had much of a social life because on this day, I'm having a call with my sweet boo, right? Yep. Okay. So we're going to do this, I think. Yeah, why not? Why not? Like I said, I'm really trying hard this year to just not even think, just do. You know what I mean? This should be, let's just see, it's gonna go down, or should I tip it out like that? Oh yeah, maybe I'll do that instead. Okay, so I'm gonna write this, or glue this, okay? And it's going to be attached right there. And then it will flip out here. Okay. I like that. Let's see here. Okay, this happy mail I'm not using. Oh, this I wanted to use. This little L from Lynn. So cute. Yeah, we're just gonna put this right here. Right there because I like it. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use this on this page or not, but I'm gonna keep it in here just in case. So then this is going to get put in here with tape. And you know what I might do? Because, you know, I spent all that time explaining to you how, like, to do, you know, whatever, to write on things that are outside over here, just put another book. But I think I am going to save it and then write on it and then stick it in. I think that'll work better. So that'll go there. Okay, let's see. This I'm gonna save. That's a little camera. I'm gonna save that as well because I don't know. Like, I mean, I don't really know what I'm gonna journal about on this, you know? So we'll see. Okay, but we are going to use some of these sweet little stickers. Yeah, fun, fun, fun. And look at that, isn't that sweet? Time to shine, love that. So put that right there. Happiness, I'm gonna put this right at the bottom. On a line, I think. I might end up having to glue some of these. I'm not really sure. We'll see if they decide to stick or not. We'll see. Okay, and then I have my journaling that I can do right here, and then this is gonna go right here with a piece of tape. and a little piece of tape there. So I'll have a flip out, or a tip in, sorry. Let's use the correct terminology. All right, January 2nd, Saturday, Happy Mail, Live Life in Color. I did filming. I got Happy Mail from Lynn. It's National Science Fiction Day. I'm going to do my journaling, and then I'm also going to put this in here because it's so stinking cute. I don't know. I might decide to put it up here when all is said and done, and then open it. It'll open out this way like that. Yeah, I'll be able to do my journaling right here. Now, typically when I journal the day after it happens. Okay, I wait for the whole day to unfold, and then I journal later on. You know, I journal the next day. So, I mean, I guess technically speaking, I'm a day behind, but yeah, that's the way that I like to do it. Yeah. And who knows, I might go crazy and use a colored pen. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I like the way this came out. It has everything in it that I need. I did a lot of filming. Yeah. Open my Happy Mail. Gonna talk to my boo, which is Brooke from Recreations by Brooke. We're gonna have a video call later, so that'll be super fun. And yeah, that was a fun little page and quick to boot, huh? Yeah, I like that. I like that. That's fun, huh? Okay, so anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I think that was a nice, short, sweet journal with me, and it was super fun and just the way that I like it. Okay, I am meeting my goal for this year of doing a much more simpler way of journaling, and I'm loving it. I am absolutely loving it. Yes. Okay. I really hope you guys enjoyed that. And yeah, be sure to check, all the links below. They will all be there. And yeah, make sure you come back in the future for, journal flip throughs. I do have a playlist of flip throughs. So yeah, make sure you come back to flip through these and see the finished product all in a row, because that's always fun. And yeah, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified the next time a video of mine comes out. And yeah, that's about it. So thanks again for sharing your time with me. Have a fabulous day, a wonderful week, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.